Avvo Business Formation Legal App. The pros, the cons. The Avvo Business Formation Legal App promises to simplify starting a business, but most people get this wrong by thinking incorporating requires expensive legal teams. The surprising truth is that the app guides entrepreneurs through formation, compliance, and registrations in an intuitive, step-by-step way. One major pro is guidance. Users can form ELCs, corporations, or partnerships with clear instructions on state-specific requirements, registration, and operating agreements. For example, a small business owner can navigate formation paperwork without missing critical steps, saving time and avoiding penalties. Another advantage is access to legal advice. Avvo connects users to qualified attorneys for questions during formation, offering peace of mind without the full cost of traditional consultations. This is especially useful for first-time entrepreneurs who may not know the nuances of business law. However, there are cons. The app may not cover highly complex business structures, mergers, or multi-state operations. Users who rely solely on templates without professional review could face compliance risks or legal gaps. In conclusion, the Avvo Business Formation Legal App is a strong tool for entrepreneurs seeking a fast, affordable, and guided way to start a business. While it doesn't replace specialized legal counsel for complex ventures, it provides clarity, efficiency, and confidence for most small business owners navigating formation and compliance.